Kia ora te whānau. Today we'll be talking about te Waipounamu, South Island. The same as the previous video, I'm going to be talking about the names of the places, in particular city names. Alright, pronunciation first, then we get to the meaning. First up, we have Fakatsu, Fakatsu. O tautahi, o tautahi. Tahuna, tahuna. Also called tahuna as well. O te poti, o te poti. Waihope, Waihope. Rakiura, rakiura. Now, since there aren't many cities in the South Island, I thought I'd add some bits and pieces. And the first one is Te Waipounamu, South Island. Te means the, Wai means water, Pounamu means greenstone. So, Te Waipounamu means the water of greenstone. The original form of Te Waipounamu could have been Te Wahipounamu. Te Wahipounamu. Again, te means the, but wahi means place, and pounamu is greenstone. So it could have been the place of greenstone. Like with any place names, there are many different theories, and it's interesting to find out these histories as well. Next up, we have Fakatsu. Fakatsu. It is Nelson. Faka means to make something. Tsu is to stand. So that means to stand up or to make speech. Interestingly, there are 5 different theories behind this name. I will link it below so you can have a look, but I'm just going to mention one of them. Fakatsu o kāinga ki te kohanga o te matangi āwhio, which means build their homes near the nests of the seabirds. So this phrase was used for the original settlers to tell the new arrivals to build their homes near the nests of the seabirds. Next up, we have O tautahi, O tautahi. This is Christchurch. O means place of something, so of somewhere. Tautahi is short for Pōtiki Tautahi. The Māori name for Christchurch commemorates the chief who had his pa beside a ford of the Avon River. The name also refers to the Avon River. Next up, we have Tahuna or Tahuna. Just going to add a macron here. It is Queenstown. Now, interestingly, I couldn't find many reasons why this name was given to the place. Many of the resources that I've gathered says that Māori came here to harvest pounamu. So Tahuna means sandbank or shoal. Sandbank or shoal. Another meaning that I found is that it is shallow bay. I'm going to have to do a bit more research to find out a little bit more about this place. Next up we have O te poti. O te poti. This is Dunedin. O indicates that it's the place of. Te is the. Poti is corner. So that means the place situated at a corner. So if you look at the placement of O te poti, Dunedin, it is at the tip, and you can see that it is at a corner, basically, of New Zealand. The name O te poti is taken from a village that was located just south of the modern Dunedin Octagon. Waihope, or Waihope. This is Invercargill. Waiho means to leave. Pai means well or good. So the literal translation is to leave well. However, it may be a corruption of Waihopai, which means the water of Pai. With the Māori tradition of oral languages being passed down, it is quite difficult to find out the exact meaning, exact reason why a place was given its name. It's been really interesting to find all these interpretations or meanings. Lastly, we have rakiura. Rakiura. This is Stewart Island. If you want to say rangi, sky, in South Island, you would say raki. So raki means sky. Ura is glowing. So rakiura means glowing sky. There's another tale that a young chief wished to marry but arrived just too late, for the young woman had already wed. The full name on this place could be Te ura o te rakitāmau, the blushing of te rakitāmau. Comment below if you know any other meanings of these places. It'll be interesting, especially from the local perspectives. Anyway, kia kaha te reo Māori. Karawhiua, give it a go. And ka kite anō. I'll see you later.